Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is IoT-based smart farm crop protection system for wild animals using Arduino and GPRS modem. Pump. You can on the pump and off the pump. Temperature sensor, humidity sensor, soil moisture sensor, water level detection, PIR in animal detection, proximity infrared detector, motion body, movable body. So it will show you the temperature sensor data, humidity sensor, moisture sensor, water level detection, PIR, and date and time. Okay, go to main screen. It will show you the main page. Let us coming into the block diagram. IoT integrated smart crop protection system using Arduino and GPRS modem. In this project, we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and it convert to 5 volts pure DC output, and it connected to the Arduino Mega 2 Arduino 80 Mega 2x60 board module. And there are the sensors are LM35 temperature sensor connected to the A0, humidity sensor connected to the A2, soil moisture sensor connected to the A1, and PIR sensor connected to the A3, and water level detection 4 levels, so W0 low level, mid level, full level connected with the 4 5 6 7 GPIO pin numbers. And so any animal detected, there is a flashlight, 3 LEDs, A8 A9 A10 LEDs, 16 cross 2 LCD display connected with RS enabled D4 D5 D6 D7 8 9 10 11 12 13 GPIO pin numbers. Motor connected to the third pin, alarm connected to the second pin, GPRS modem, GSM SIM 800C for SMS alert sending the data to server, and those are connected with RxTX 0 and 3 serial communication 3. And this is our total block diagram of the project. Let us coming into the hardware part. So in this project we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source. We are using 0 to 9 volt 1 ampere adapter power source, and it connected to the bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module. And here we are using one GPRS modem, GSM SIM 800C, GPRS modem, Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance, internet balance. Okay, so here flat should be inside, cut should be always outside. Okay, so GSM GPRS modem, I am using Idea 3G SIM card. I am using Idea 3G 4G or Airtel 4G SIM card also, it will work. Inside, press it in, it will go, press it, it will come outside. Okay, so GPRS modem, GSM SIM 800C module, and Arduino Mega 2x60 board. And the sensors are LM35 temperature sensor, humidity sensor, soil moisture sensor, PIR sensor, water level detection, whatever low, level 1, level 2, and full. So this is water level detection, and alarm and motor, and here the 3 flash LEDs, and the output we are monitoring. Okay, now let's start the power supply. So IoT based smart farming crop protection system, animals using Arduino and GPRS modem, GSM testing, connected, echo, finding network found, must ensure SIM card should be there. Okay, CGATT, must ensure you have to use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL SIM cards only. GPRS enabled, GPRS start, GPRS main. It is GPRS found, means GPRS means internet connected. This is HTTP protocol, hypertext transfer protocol. T for temperature, M for moisture, H for humidity, P means PIR, W means water level, T for temperature, M for moisture, P for PIR, H for humidity. Means, so there is no water rate field, there is no water level. Now it will tell water level should be 0. It will show, it will send completed, action, sent okay. Now water level 0, first it will come, then it will check for the moisture, then it will check for temperature, humidity, and the PIR. Okay, so it will tell you that no water rate field, motor on. Okay, field date, wait, motor on, motor pump is off. Okay, no water rate field, no water, so there is no water at field SMS. Okay, so no water at field, motor on. Okay, water level is also 0, low water level, it water level. Okay, so GPRS sending, send completed. Field at dry, motor pump on. Okay, so all the data is continuously coming on the web page also. Okay, no PIR, W0, no moisture. Okay, now I am going to start pump on. Okay, so now I am giving the temperature alert. Temperature I am giving, temperature sensing. Pump should be on. Every 20 counts it will on. It will, if every time it will check the data. Just now I on now. Now it will update and it will check the data. It will check the server also. Pump should be pump on off through server only. Okay, send completed. So temperature is 33 now. Now it will update. Temperature sent. Okay, okay, the pump should be on. Wait. Okay, send. Okay, ping to website, web link success, action completed. Here pump on, that pump motor should also on. Wait. Data okay, motor on. Here also motor on. Okay, motor is rotating. Okay, temperature is also 48. Now we will get the SMS alert also, over temperature alert. Okay, now I will give you the humidity. Okay, humidity. Okay, through mouth I given the humidity. Temperature, humidity 42, humidity 42. Yeah, send completed. Okay, so now I am taking the water level detection. Wait, I will check one by one. Data okay, temperature, humidity 38. Okay, so water level, low level. Okay, low level. I am closing closure loop circuit. Okay, so I am taking one wire. Now it will connect it to the low water level 1. Now it will come water level 1. Yeah, water level 1, water level 2, water level 2. We will go for humidity first. Yeah, humidity 56, 58. Through my mouth I given the humidity. Now here the humidity will be updated. Humidity data should be updated, and we will get the SMS alert, temperature alert, and humidity alert. Okay, yeah, came. We will get the SMS alert also, humidity alert. Okay, web link, motor is also on. Okay, motor is also on. Data okay, motor on, motor is on. Humidity alert, I will get the SMS alert, humidity alert. Okay, humidity alert. Now I am going for the PIR sensor. Okay, okay, every 2 counts it will, yeah, PIR equal to yeah, PIR flashing. Okay, after 3 counts it will check for constant 3 counts. Okay, okay, any animal detector in front of the PIR sensor. Sudden interruption. Okay. Now I am going for the water level 3. Okay. Yeah, PIR equal to yes. Okay. Water level 3. GPRS sending. Okay. PIR equal to yes, it will come. And you need to insert the moisture sensor into the water. Okay, 2 LEDs should be on. Moisture sensor detected. Yeah, PIR equal to yes. Water level 3. Water is available. Okay. Pump should be off. Okay. We got the alert messages also. Okay. GPRS sending. Moisture detected. Send completed. Motor is on. Motor is off. Now it will check the server. Send completed. Yeah, moisture detected 200 and above. Moisture 200 and above. Completed. Water level 3. Water level 0, 1, 2, 3. Closed loop circuit. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Water level full. Data okay. Motor off. Motor off. Here also motor off. Okay. Just no and okay. Motor off. Motor off. Motor off. Okay. Power supply board. Power supply board. GPRS modem. LM35 temperature sensor. Humidity sensor. And PIR sensor. This soil moisture sensor. Alarm. And the alarm, pump, and 16 Arduino Uno R3, Arduino 80 Mega 2560, 16 cross 2 LCD display, and PIR sensor, GPRS modem. Yeah, send OK. PIR equal to yes. We will get the all messages alert. Motor it wet condition. Okay. Water available, motor off, humidity alert, over temperature. Okay. So we are getting continuous testing completed. Okay. We will get PIR alert message also. Sending SMS. Message sent. We will get PIR alert. PIR alert animal detected. Okay. This is our total block diagram of the project. And this is hardware kit of the project. Thank you.